Why do you use wet bread not to stick on it?
Wet cold.
Yes, why? Why do you use
Because make it soft. Soft. What's that? Yeah. Okay. Here's lettuce, carrot, cucumber, yeah, rice noodle, egg, corn, and pork cake, pork. And this is ready for you. No mind. Carrot.
Who's the guy get a pay?
I remember two.
I mean,
no
only
beef,
you can
no
pay.
pork.
Not just
Okay.
anybody.
For you.
eggs and fruits? Eggs and fruit. Yeah. This is, it's not tofu.
No, pork.
Oh, really? Looks like that.
Okay, now I start to do. Look at me, and then you can do it. Make it soft. Okay, when you want to use water a little bit like this. Do not make it wet, make it soft on it. Soft. One side, okay, on this. Okay, now put ingredients. Mix and to make it colorful.
Mix it.
Yeah, mix. And when you do it, please remember this way from both sides, because later we fold. And when you do it at home, you can put anything you can eat, anything you can eat. Sometimes we change pork by seafood, yeah, by beef, because in Vietnam we prefer beef and pork. Yeah, we can change. And about vegetable, we can change by papaya, mango, or pineapple. Anything you can eat. Egg. Okay. Okay, no pork. Vâng, lát được. Vâng. Okay, a little bit like this. Do not put too much because when you roll, it's easy to broken. Okay, now hold and roll tight. When you do it at home, no need to work the glow. It's too hard. Roll tight. Stop here and press. So it's the reason why we keep space. Okay, done. Okay, now I need to feel work. Try it. Now remember in Vietnam, ladies can do it well, she can get married. If you want, please do it well. Right, madam? In Vietnam, if you do it well, the ladies can do it well, she can get married. Because it's very popular in Vietnam. You can eat fish sauce. Fish sauce.
Yes.
No matter with coriander. No matter. Yeah. Okay, I will show you again. One more time. Okay, I show you one more time. Here is red flour and ingredient. Maybe you know. It's pork, yeah, prawn, and egg, rice noodle, cucumber, lettuce, and carrot. And here's fish sauce and soy sauce. Use water, a little bit of water, and make it soft like this. Okay, này we give you one glass of wine.
Và soy sốt em biết sốt. Biết sốt. Chỗ nào ạ? Này nước này như chấm em đúng chuẩn vị của người Việt mình nhé. Vâng. Cái này là dùng cho người chay ạ.